Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your balance on Go2 Bank. Checking your balance on Go2 Bank is a super easy and a straightforward process, so let's jump into the video right away. So the first step is to open up a web browser. Type in the URL go2bank.com and search. You can also log into your Go2 Bank mobile application using your mobile device. Once you end up in the official website, click on Log In appearing at the top right corner. Enter your email address and your password on your Go2 Bank online banking login area and click on the Login button to log into your online banking account. Once logged into the account, your account balance should be visible soon after you end up in the dashboard. So that's how you can easily check your balance on Go2 Bank. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.